I was really blessed by the retreat we just held in many ways, but I will try to focus on a few highlights. First off, even before the retreat, we were facing one challenge after the other, so much so that it seemed like Satan was really trying to hold us off from this retreat. The more the challenge, the more I was determined to make it. Finally, through the prayers and support of some loved ones, we were able to come. In fact, we were one of the first few to arrive, so I praise God for that. One of the highlights of the retreat teaching for me was the clear understanding that being in a phase of wilderness meant we are well within the will of God. I always had this doubt whether I was in the wilderness because I had wandered so far away from God and I was actually lost. I almost felt like there was no use crying out to God because he was out of earshot. It was very comforting to learn that God holds our hand while being in our lowest state. Another thought that Pastor Toby shared from his own life experience was that God is not afraid of our questions. He is not one to be offended by them either. I always ask a lot of questions in my frustration, and I end up apologizing to God, but God gets it, and he gets me, and God does not misunderstand. Another blessing I received in plenty at the retreat was the outpouring of prayer and words of life and comfort over my life. I didn't specifically mention any need to anyone, but the prayers and exhortations were so focused and accurate. To be known so deeply, yet loved so completely, is a blessing that I can count on from each one of my brothers and sisters here at ICA. What I learned from the retreat was how God expects dependability from us, and a double share of his Spirit is given to us so that we can bless others to a greater measure. His promises come with instructions, and that was quite revealing to know that even his promises were tag attached. I want to challenge myself to take one bold additional step for God, like in Isaiah 6:8, when he asks, "Who will go for me?" I want to be able to say without hesitation, "Here I am, Lord, send me."